Does it feel awkward to stand on your dirt bike while riding? You might know that you can have more control if you're standing while going over obstacles on the trail, but if you're not standing in the right position, it makes it uncomfortable to use the clutch, the throttle, the brake, shifting, and you can actually be using more energy than if you were sitting down in the right position. So a common problem is standing up too tall on the bike. So when you're not in the proper attack position, you're standing too tall, your weight is out of balance and you're usually too far back on the bike, so that when you accelerate, you're going to be pushed back on the bike, causing you to grab with your hands and pull back forward on the handlebars because you're reacting to what the bike is doing. This is a lot more exhausting because you're constantly pushing and pulling on the handlebars. But if your weight is too far forward on the bike, then you're putting too much weight on your hands and your arms, more than they should be handling, because you should be putting that weight into your feet, in your core, and your legs. So the proper position is with your knees slightly bent, but your hips back, your back is straight, and your head is up and looking forward with your elbows slightly bent. And think of it, if you were preparing to be tackled by someone, you would want to be in this attack position so that if you're going to be pushed from either way, you're not going to lose control easily. You should be able to not touch the handlebars and move around on the bike. Where if you're standing too tall, well, then one little push backwards and you're going to fall back. So if you have more control while standing, you'll be using less energy and you'll be able to go up hills, down hills, go over obstacles more easily, because your body can help absorb those impacts. And this will allow you to have more traction, more control, especially going over logs, rocks, or going up and down steep hills, which is what I cover in my virtual dirt biker school, where you learn how to trail ride with confidence so you aren't afraid, even if you don't have time to practice or a place to practice. And if you want to get started for free, I got a free guide in the description below. And in my next video of this beginner series, you're going to learn how to initiate a turn, because being smoother while turning gives you more traction while using less energy. So subscribe, please share this with a friend, or if it's already out, click right here to watch the next video. I'm Kelly Fager from Motocross Hideout. Learn more, ride more.